Hello. To turn off Talkback on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you need to know how to navigate with this Talkback function enabled. So first of all, to actually swipe, you have to use two fingers on your screen like this. Instead of swiping with one finger, you have to swipe with two fingers. To navigate, actually, you have to press on, as you press once on anything, it actually kind of gets selected and the Talkback function says what it is. And to actually use this button, or any function or anything, you have to double tap on it. And let's just begin. Let's go into the settings, tap once and double tap to activate. And from here, you have to scroll all the way down with two fingers and go into general management. No, actually, you have to go into accessibility. So press once and double tap. From here, we have this talkback function, so we have to press once and double tap again right here. And here is the switch to disable it. So press on this switch once and double tap to turn off. And here we have to also press once on this turn off button to select it and double tap to turn off. And basically that's how to disable the talkback function, as you can see. Thank you for watching.